All right, be honest. How many times have you searched easy side hustles for teens, and every video was either a scam, needed a $3,000 laptop, or told you to just start a business? Yeah, I was sick of that too. But recently I found something stupidly simple. Something that actually works, and nobody's talking about it. If you're broke, tired of fake advice, and just want your first real $50, this is for you. The Side Hustle Micro Task Editing. Why it's so easy? You're not editing videos. You're doing tiny tasks small creators don't have time for. Adding captions, trimming dead space, cropping vertical, fixing audio, turning long videos into shorts. CapCut literally does half this for you, and creators pay because you're saving them time, not because you're a pro. How to start fast version. 1. Pick one simple task. Don't say I edit. Say something clean like, I turn long clips into shorts, or I add captions to TikToks. Simple, yes. 2. Make a tiny sample, 30-40 seconds. Use any clip, add captions, music, zoom, export. That's your whole portfolio. 3. DM small creators. Search for people with 203K followers who post often but have basic editing. Send, hey, want me to turn one of your clips into a clean short? Here's a sample. If they like it, if you want 3 to 5 clips a week, it's $5 to $12 per clip. Most will say yes because they're busy and overwhelmed. 4. Keep it simple. 10-20 minutes per clip. A few clients, just $200-300 a month on your phone. The real benefit? Without trying, you start learning pacing, hooks, and what makes videos go viral. That skill becomes valuable later, for your own channel or real freelance work. Confidence tip. Don't overthink DMs. Creators aren't judging you, they want help. Send 10 messages. 2 reply. 1 becomes a client. Done. Reality check. No, you won't make thousands overnight, but that first $10 you earn from your phone, it hits different. You realize you don't need perfect gear, you just need to start. Outro. So yeah, the easiest teen side hustle no one talks about. Micro task editing. Make one sample, send 3 DMs, see what happens.